Good morning everyone, and in today's video, Oppo Find X7 Ultra versus Galaxy S24, the regular version, a small one. Wide angle lens 0.6. Wow, what a saturated image on the S24. Well, I'm commenting what I see on the smartphone screen, so on YouTube this could be a different story, but this is how it looks like. We're going to the colors. We have a colorful wall, because in here there's not too much colors, so that's all it is. Anyway, this is wide angle lens, vlogging style. If you want to vlog from those cameras, this is how it's going to look like. A vlogging style. Try to be in the middle. The phones are side by side, so it's not that easy. Alright. Do we have autofocus in the wide angle lens? In Oppo we do have. In Samsung we don't have, so it will be blurry on Samsung. See? If I want to show you the grass, it will be blurry on Samsung. That's the advantage for the Oppo. Now, switching to the main lens, 1x. Just show you that beautiful Oppo experience. Look at the bokeh effect. Wow, now that is a difference. I love Oppo in this particular scenario. Wow, it's a huge difference. Vlogging style from the main lens. This is how it's going to look like. Vlogging experience. I don't know why I went this way. I could go with a sidewalk, not walking around with the mud. Anyway, wow. Check out those colors. Colorful experience. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. A lot of colors and very interesting scenario. There you go. Alright. Well, very vivid colors on Samsung. Alright. Telephoto. Of course, Ultra has two telephoto lenses. So, yeah, it probably will obliterate the regular Samsung. 3x, different focal length if you go all the way to 12, then 18 for the Ultra. Let's go back a little bit. Of course, it will be a huge difference. Or is it? Is it a huge difference? I mean, trying to do a same deal, a bit closer. Yeah, it's much better on Ultra. Let's go back to the 1x, and again, autofocus. That Leo 900 in Oppo is killing it. Wow, that is a very nice bokeh effect. Alright, front-facing camera it is. Full length of my arm. Autofocus available in both of them, but in Samsung is extremely fast. Top front-facing camera in the world. In Oppo is a bit slow, and yeah, it's losing focus sometimes. See, but it is a wider lens. You can see way wider, and we can zoom if we wanted to. Alright, sky definitely overexposed for Oppo. Why is that? It's a firmware. Apparently, Chinese smartphones, I mean, overexposing the sky is the standard for Chinese smartphones, and they just, it's a firmware. It's a firmware. If I block my face, this should cancel my face, and if I go out of the frame, you see, it's cancelling my face, and now it looks way better. And when the Oppo recognize a face, it will brighten up the image, because maybe people wants to be brighter. I don't know. It is what it is. Well, what about photos? Let's find out.
First of all, I have to apologize to the viewers because I've made a mistake and I've made a different aspect ratio photo. Oppo is 3:4, 4:3, and Samsung is 16:9, so it's my mistake. Apologize, but it is what it is. Let's continue. Look how much contrast we have in the Oppo Hasselblad photo, the 23mm 1.8 light. Wow, I definitely love Oppo for the photos. Let's continue. A different angle, again, a huge contrast and beautiful sky in the Oppo. Another photo with the main lens, Hasselblad, look at that bokeh effect. Wow, and details. Okay, with Galaxy I was a little bit off, but still, that bokeh effect gives you that depth, feel of depth. I love it. And the building, again, brighter, way brighter image. I'm not sure why Samsung is making such a bright images. If we zoom in, this is from a wide angle, similar. Not too much. They both 50 megapixels. Right? Look at the color of that orange color, more natural on the Oppo, definitely. A natural color, way more contrast. That's what it is. And finally, Samsung makes some progress with the color. It's not so bright anymore. Well, everything was shot in auto mode, so they both look fantastic. Very similar. A little doggy. Okay, he's not that little. And again, look what happened. Look at the colors for the Oppo. Okay, Samsung focused on the sticker and didn't focus on the flower, which is strange. I was shooting for the flower. And Oppo didn't focus on the sticker and focus on the flower like it's supposed to be. And look at the colors, how natural they are on the Oppo Hasselblad. Wow. Very live colors like they're supposed to be. And on Samsung, they just wash out. That flower was red, like in the Oppo, not that blend. And now the color battle. Okay, none of them came out good. Oppo oversaturated the image, but it is red. And look what happened in Samsung. That pepper is pink. it's terrible. And also Oppo oversaturated. That pepper was red, but not that red. And finally, my favorite mermaid. Selfie time. Wow. Selfie on Hasselblad Oppo is really, really nice. On Samsung, a lot of details, but that bokeh effect look artificial and it's too bright. I don't know what's going on with the latest Samsungs, but they deliver me such a bright image, too bright. And everything is on auto. Maybe the next firmware will correct that. A little more contrast is needed. Look at the eyes. Wow, I love Oppo. I think Oppo this time is winning in the photo department and main lens video. Okay, it's not that quick with autofocus, but everything else, Oppo, ding, 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 winning. Bear in mind, this is the regular Galaxy S24, not the Ultra version. The Ultra is a completely different set of cameras. And I also made a video about the Ultra versus Oppo, but there'll be a link in the end of this video. And that's all I have for you, my friend. I don't have any night pictures of videos because I'm not a creep and I'm not walking around with the camera at night. That was a joke. Yeah, but I don't have any. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.